So, ito yung sa tingala lang siya. So, we will serve ng warrant of arrest. Check namin po. Wala kaming doon, tingin lang namin. How can we be sure na unang-una may warrant of arrest kami. Okay lang naman. Okay lang naman. But again, ito warrant of arrest. We will implement it whether you like it or not. Okay? Kahit pa sinasabi nyo wala siya dyan, how can we be sure na wala siya dyan? Okay? With or without yung assessor namin. Kasi sabihin nyo lang.